If I told you that a simple drink made from a common kitchen spice could boost your immunity, melt fat, and help you sleep like a baby, would you believe me? Well, this little miracle is hiding right in your spice rack. It's called clove water, and when you drink it before bed, something amazing starts happening inside your body. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll share 17 science-backed health benefits of drinking clove water at night. Number 12 is going to surprise you. Firstly, let's start off with what is clove water. Clove water is simply made by soaking or boiling a few cloves in warm water. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and powerful compounds like eugenol, which has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting effects. Now, let's dive straight into the 17 health benefits of drinking it at night. 1. Improves digestion. Had a heavy dinner that's sitting in your stomach like a rock? Clove water to the rescue. This little spice helps your digestive system work like a well-oiled machine. It boosts the production of digestive enzymes, which means your food breaks down faster and smoother. No more tossing and turning or feeling like you swallowed a brick. Clove water quietly fixes all that while you sleep. 2. Relieves bloating and gas. Feeling gassy, bloated, or puffy before bed? That's your gut begging for help. Clove water acts like a natural detox plumber. It clears out trapped gas, eases discomfort, and relaxes your stomach muscles. You'll wake up with a flatter tummy and zero regrets about that late-night snack. Seriously, it's like hitting the deflate button on your belly. 3. Boosts immunity. Your immune system never sleeps, and clove water gives it a night shift upgrade. Packed with antioxidants and antibacterial compounds, cloves help your body fight off the germs and viruses that try to sneak in while you rest. Think of it as your internal security guard, always on duty, keeping you strong and healthy. 4. Improves sleep quality. If your brain won't stop scrolling through tomorrow's to-do list at midnight, clove water might be your new best friend. It has mild calming properties that help your nerves unwind and your mind slow down. Sip it warm before bed, and it's like your body gets the memo. Time to chill. You'll drift into deeper, more peaceful sleep. No sheep counting required. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels, late-night sugar cravings, or energy crashes. Clove water helps balance your blood sugar naturally. It improves insulin function and keeps glucose levels steady while you sleep, which means fewer cravings and better energy the next day. It's like having a tiny blood sugar coach working overtime in your body. For free. 6. Detoxifies the body. Your body's detox system, mainly your liver, works hardest at night, and clove water gives it the boost it deserves. It helps flush out toxins and supports your liver so it can do its cleaning job efficiently. It's like sending in a night crew to sweep up the junk your body doesn't need. You wake up fresh, light, and recharged. 7. Reduces inflammation. Feeling achy or sore after a long day? Clove water contains eugenol, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that soothes your muscles and joints from the inside out. It's nature's version of a pain relief balm. No pills, no chemicals. Just calm, comfort, and a better night's rest. 8. Supports weight loss. Clove water won't melt fat like magic, but it does kick your metabolism into gear while you sleep. It helps your body digest food efficiently and prevents fat storage from that late dinner. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, this warm nighttime drink can quietly help you edge closer to your fitness goals. One sip at a time. 9. Freshens breath and improves oral health. Bad breath in the morning? Clove water tackles that too. Cloves are natural bacteria killers, especially the ones that cause gum infections and foul odor. Drinking it before bed helps cleanse your mouth and throat, leaving you with fresher breath and healthier gums. It's like a gentle, minty mouthwash from Mother Nature herself. 10. Relieves coughs and sore throat. If you're dealing with a nagging cough or scratchy throat, clove water brings instant relief. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties soothe the irritation and clear out mucus. A warm cup before bed feels like a cozy hug for your throat. You'll sleep soundly without that annoying tickle keeping you up. 11. Balances hormones. Hormones can be drama queens, easily thrown off balance by stress, poor sleep, or diet. Clove water helps regulate them by supporting your liver, which plays a key role in hormone balance. It's especially beneficial for women dealing with PMS or mood swings. Think of it as a nightly hormone harmonizer, keeping your body in tune. 13. Relieves stress and anxiety. Long day? Clove water is like a warm, aromatic stress blanket. The scent alone helps calm your mind, while its compounds help lower cortisol, your body's stress hormone. It's a natural way to tell your nervous system, hey, it's okay. You can relax now. You'll feel more peaceful and emotionally balanced when you wake up. 14. Supports heart health. Clove water. Quietly looks after your heart while you sleep. It helps lower bad cholesterol, improves circulation, and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. Think of it as your heart's overnight maintenance drink, keeping things flowing smoothly and reducing the risk of heart issues down the line. 15. Boosts energy for the next day. When your digestion, sleep, and hormones are balanced, your mornings feel completely different. Clove water helps your body rest, repair, and recharge overnight. You'll wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and ready to take on anything the day throws at you. All thanks to one small cup before bed. 16. Strengthens bones and joints. Here's one most people don't know. Cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral that's essential for strong bones and joint health. Drinking clove water regularly helps maintain bone density and may even reduce joint stiffness. It's like sending your bones a nightly care package. Small, simple, but powerful over time. 17. Enhances brain function. Yes, clove water can even sharpen your mind. Its antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, supporting better focus, memory, and mental clarity. Drinking it at night allows your brain to rest and repair efficiently, so you wake up feeling mentally refreshed, not foggy or sluggish. So here's how to make your clove water tonic. Boil 3 to 4 whole cloves in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then strain and drink it warm, about 30 minutes before bed. If you wish, you can add a bit of honey or lemon for taste. So there you have it. 17 amazing reasons to make clove water your new nightly ritual. Remember, nature always knows best. And sometimes the simplest habits bring the biggest results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little nighttime health boost. Sleep well, stay healthy, and let the cloves do their magic. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the benefits of baking soda water.